Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Karazeba. Happy birthday to you. Hey, Karazeba. Good morning, my leader. Hey, ngibone ngale ku-TikTok. Ngibone ngale ku-TikTok. Hey, happy birthday. Cishe ngaphuthelwa Nkokheli. Happy birthday, my leader.
Hey, General, your words are so kind, my leader. Your words are so kind. Thank you for taking time, making a post, and putting the message that you have put. It's very, very, very big to me. And I know you are this kind of a person who's very critical when it comes to a revolution, the proponents and those who try to pose as the leaders in society. I really take this step to my heart, knowing that is a compliment that God doesn't come from an easy person, but it comes to from a person who is very honest, brutally honest, to the point that he questions even those who think they will not be questioned. So thank you very much, General. You're also playing a very important role in the movement, and don't undermine it. Your voice, your criticism, your follow up on matters, your agitation on certain issues is very important. For us, the movement, which is not consistently kept on check, doesn't go right. We need those people who keep on checking the validity, the authenticity of everything that we say and do, if we mean it and if it is capable of creating the transformation that we need to see. And that's a person that you are. Thank you very much, leader.
Hayi, my leader, bonga mina nje njengegama lami. Hayi, siyakubonga kakhulu Khabazela. Lama video akho lawa, they are making a very, very big difference as well. So I'm inspired nje by your work. So yeah, may you never tire, my leader. Ngishoda nge-present nje ngabe ngiyakusetha. But yeah, my leader, you must consider